Mr. DIY first retail store opened in 2005 at Jalan Tunku Abdul Rahman. We will be celebrating our 500th landmark store in June. We wanted to create the ultimate online to offline shopping experience for our customer. With initial presence on Marketplace, we saw encouraging results within the first month and decided to engage Maxis e-commerce to build our own web store to provide our customer that branded online shopping experience. With Maxis e-commerce building our web store, we are now integrated to our warehouse systems for seamless business operation. We choose Maxis because of the excellent service provided. The project manager is tech savvy and is able to provide relevant input and recommendation based on business needs. So via e-commerce today, we offer our customers with 4 unique selling points. Number 1, free shipping with minimum purchase of 20 ringgit. Second, click and collect service at Klang Valley. Number 3, same-day express delivery. And fourth, Mr. DIY guarantee with 100% refund or exchange program. At the recent 11/11, we saw 9 times of web sales uplift. Ultimately, Mr. DIY goal is to provide our customer that seamless shopping experience while optimizing our business operation. With Maxis e-commerce, we have now achieved our goals.